ASUS ZenFone 5Z, and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose here power off and tap OK to confirm the operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then you need to open the slot. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device, so let's just simply open this slot by using some kind of the special tool, or it could be simply the paper pin. So let's just press it right here. Alright, let's push it. Now you can remove the whole thing from your device, and here you can insert in the following slot the microSD or Nano SIM card. So you can create the dual SIM card on that device by using this slot for a SIM card right here. Alright, let me just find the proper position. Alright, this is the Nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here, or you can use this slot for the micro SD with the characteristic edge right here. Let's just place it as simple as that right here. Alright, so now let me insert the Nano SIM in that slot, and just in that case let me use micro SD and SIM card, but as I said, you can use it for two SIM cards, and now all you need to do is just press it to the end and simply switch on the device to check out how your device works with your SIM card and SD card. The ASUS is switching on. Alright, let's unlock the screen. As you can see here, we've got the information about the SIM card, so it's a good sign. Here let me tap settings. You can choose also connections, and here you should find the SIM card options, and as you can see here we've got your information about the SIM card. Let's go back. Here let me also find the system. Sorry, not the system. Let me find here something about storage. So let me choose storage and memory. And as you can see here, you've got information about your portable storage, so in that case it's SD card. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.